Hello NLSAT aspirants, I'm Shasli from Top Rankers and I welcome you all to the base setting session for English language for NLSAT. Well, I have noticed one thing that students are still juggling with the pattern of the paper, what are the different genres in RC, what are the different question types asked in the examination. So today I'm here with the base setting session so that students can get completely acquainted with the pattern for English language. So normally you tend to get RCs because it's core reading oriented session. So you get say around 8 passages, at times like 2 or 3 passages of the same genre, otherwise different genres, and you get different question types too. Normally it is a combination of English, LR and GK. That means one passage with the question around English language, logical reasoning and GK all together in one specific passage. That means the overall paper will be like 75 questions based on RCs with different question types around English, logic and GK. So you can say that 25 questions will be around English, approximately 25 questions will be around logical reasoning and approximately 25 questions will be around GK. So this is what exactly the overall pattern for the paper. Now, I'm here with the detailed analysis of different years question paper. So let's begin with 2022. Well, student, this is first passage and the title of the passage was Art, Algorithms and the Crisis of Creativity in the Post-COVID World. The genre is opinion or argumentative essay. It can be a kind of cultural criticism or socio-political commentary, reflection on non-fiction, and these are the different question types, students. So you can actually have a quick glance over the question types: vocabulary in context, logical reasoning, constitutional reasoning, inference based question, fact based questions at time around GK, author's viewpoint or argument based question, that is core LR based question, strengthening and weakening. So normally at times in English you can see the overlapping of logical reasoning and English because there are some common question types which can be common in both the sections, that is English and LR. Okay, like inference based question, main idea based question, argument based question will be common for both English and LR section. Okay, now let's talk about passage 2. The title of the passage here is The Danger of Feminism Light, or Why Equality Cannot Be Conditional. And the genre can be feministic, non-fiction, political essay or social critic. These are the different question types which were there in passage 2 for NLSAT 2022: argument, factual, vocabulary, inference, strengthening the argument and weakening the argument. So again you can see the repetition of these question types in different years. Allow me to take another passage. Now you can see, students, yeah, passage 3. The title of the passage is When Good Intentions Went Wrong. Alright, the Samanvita Dairy Project in Komna. It's a non-fiction, specifically socio-economic reportage. Now, let's notice the question type: textual understanding, identify the purpose versus outcome. You can see the questions around grammar, like focused on subject and verb agreement, plural form, proper noun. Outside information is around GK, and there were some questions around legal reasoning as well. So at times you tend to get the questions around legal reasoning as well in English section. Now passage 4, you can see that is COP26 and the crisis of climate negotiations, equity, finance and lost urgency. The genre is opinionated and analytical editorial. Now let's focus on the question type, students. Main idea, central thesis of the passage. Then you have the questions around author's tone and attitude, inference based questions, fact based question is directly connected with GK. Then you have got vocabulary or phrases interpretation, agreement, disagreement questions, legal reasoning questions, strengthening and weakening, which is pure like logical reasoning based question. So this was the combination for passage 4 of NLSAT 2022. Now 2022 passage 5, you can see undermining democracy, Pakistan's constitutional crisis of 2022. That was the passage in NLSAT 2022. Then you got the genre like political opinion, editorial, newspaper commentary, and these were the different question types. Let's have a quick glance over it. Contextual vocabulary, logical conclusion, factual questions, main argument, evaluation of the author's claim, hypothetical application. So these were the different question types being highlighted in NLSAT 2022 for passage 5. Now passage 6, again see the title, Police, Technology and Prejudice, the dangers of predictive policing in India. It was critical opinion, editorial or socio-legal analysis, students. So legal has always been desirable in English section. Now the question types, I think grammar correction, I think grammar has been it has been asked twice in the last few years. So this was one. Factual questions around law and polity, argument, inference and application based question, hypothetical condition based questions as well. Now let's see passage 7 for 2022. Title and genre specific question, when bail becomes punishment, how the UAPA subverts criminal justice. It's a core critical legal commentary, students, or you can say that it is opinion based editorial as well. And again the question types, you can see factual recall, main argument, logical reasoning based question, especially premise and conclusion, application of constitutional principles, which is a part of legal reasoning, grammar and language questions, and vocabulary in context. So these were the questions which we could see in passage 7 of 2022. Now the last passage of NLSAT 2022, that is around beyond self-interest, public spiritedness and human motivation. The genre is expository argumentative essay, public philosophy and development economics. Now you can see the question type. I can see the questions are almost the same in every year, in every passage, like contextual vocabulary, main idea, inference, arguments, ethical legal reasoning based questions, conceptual extension, general knowledge integration as well. Okay, now let's go ahead with 2023. The title of the passage, the first passage was around ambition, identity and guarded gates in Victory City. It's a historical fiction actually. So you can see that history is also quite important genre. It's narrative prose from Salman Rushdie's novel. Again, student, the similar kind of question, main idea, inference, vocabulary, contextual vocabulary, true, false, except, then true, false means factual questions, which is true according to the passage, which is not true according to the passage. All of the options are true except one, like this. Cause and effect question, hypothetical questions as well, and general knowledge integration was also there. Now passage 2, students, you can see title and genre, believe women's presumption of innocent and limits of legal truth. It's a philosophical political argument, contemporary social criticism. So philosophy is again something which you need to understand. Try to get acquainted yourself with philosophy, especially the terminology. Now again similar kind of questions like central argument, inference based questions, conceptual understanding, strength and weakening based questions, strengthening the argument or weakening, that's a core part of LR, logical reasoning. Application of passages idea, factual GK based questions, again question wise conceptual mapping was also there, logical implication was also there, and normative disagreement based question was also there in passage 2 of NLSAT 2023. Now let's see passage 3, students. Why humans are the world's most persistent runner was the title of the passage. The genre was popular science. That means you need to have basic understanding around science as well. It was scientific non-fiction, evolutionary biology essay. You can see similar kind of questions again, direct, factual questions, inference-based questions, assumption. That means assumption was not there in NLSAT 2022, but it was there in 2023. Weakening the argument cannot be true, logical contradiction, main idea, central claim, application of passage logic to external fact, that is extrapolation. You go beyond what is given in the passage, core GK based questions actually. So that was there in passage 3 of 2023. Now passage 4, students, one story, many side was the title. It was narrative with reflective commentary. It was core literary non-fiction based passage. You will find the questions around facts, inference, main idea, general knowledge, and author's viewpoints, interpretation. Now, passage 5 of 2023, you can see the title, When Ideology Replaced Genetics, Lysenko and the Abolition of the Gene. Science. All right. Historical, scientific, non-fiction was the genre. It was intellectual history as well. You can see the questions like main idea, inference, argument, detail-based questions, logical, reasoning-based questions around weakening and strengthening the argument, vocabulary in context, literary function, rhetorical purposes, passage classifications, etc. Okay, students, now let's see the next passage, that is passage 6 for 2023 NLSAT examination. It was Bhuta Kola and the ritual world of indigenous deities in coastal Karnataka and North Malabar. It was expository, descriptive non-fiction, which was cultural anthropology and ethnology, ethnographic writing as well. The question types were again like almost the same: facts, main idea, inference-based, conceptual understanding, and current affair. Now, next passage was around why casteism must be recognized as a distinct crime against humanity. It was opinionated editorial, argumentative essay, and there were variety of questions like central argument, author's purpose and tone, inference-based question, strengthening and weakening-based questions, assumption, contextual vocabulary once again, current affair, that's core part of GK, application based, legal, ethical, reasoning based questions. Then we got questions around UN US city case law, that's factual questions, elimination based MCQs like what is true, what is not true, exceptions and all. Now students, next passage, that is passage 3 of 2023. The title of the passage was Myth of the Self-Made Man, Social Mobility, Network and Inequality in India. The genre was non-fiction, socio-cultural critique. All right, and the question types were again main idea, vocabulary in context, inference, detail retrieval. Detail retrieval is core like factual questions, application, hypothetical questions, metaphorical interpretation, external knowledge integration, that is core GK based question. Now, let's talk about NLSAT 2024 passage 1. The title of the passage was Conflict of Conscience, Party Loyalty versus Truth. It was political fiction and an extract from philosophical novel. You can see, student, the question types almost the same. Only compare and contrast was the new in this particular passage. You could also find evaluate the argument based questions as well. Contextual background was again one of the new question type which we could see here. So basically comparison and contrast, critical evaluation, evaluate the argument based question, and contextual background. I think these were the new question type which we introduced here. Now passage 2, the title of the passage is South Africa's Genocide Case Against Israel, a Landmark Judgment. It was legal political commentary, international law analysis, and you can see almost the same kind of question types, barring a few. One is like cause and effect, legal understanding, and then the similar kind of questions which we keep happening, which we keep seeing. All right, like fact-based, factual recall and all. These were the common question types. Now students, passage 3, title and genre was around economics, GST and the impact of sin tax on online gaming in India. The passage is expository, argumentative in nature. Again, you could see the questions like facts, conceptual understanding, inference, analytical questions, critical reasoning based questions like evaluation and all. Synthesis, like that means overall understanding of the passage. Vocabulary in context, terminology understanding, almost the same kind of questions which we keep seeing in NLSAT. Now, next topic is the call of medicine, choosing a vocation over lifestyle. It was personal essay, reflective non-fiction. We can say that autobiographical passage. Now the question types were almost the same, I guess. All right. So you can see similar kind of questions which we keep seeing in NLSAT. Now let's talk about passage 5. The topic is South versus North, understanding India's regional divide. It is core socio-economic commentary. Then you can see the questions around comprehension, inference, cause and effect, vocabulary in context, fact-based, logical reasoning, policy, government knowledge, that means GK, or legal framework. Comparative analysis was also there. Okay, now next passage, passage 6 of NLSAT 2024. Title of the passage, From Bhakti to Historical Reason, Social Thought and Caste in India. The genre is historical analysis, sociological insight and critical commentary. You will get the questions like direct information, that is fact based, inference, current affair, that is GK, cause and effect based questions, perspective, viewpoint based questions, significance, implication questions, author stance, opinion based questions, external factual knowledge based questions. Okay, now let's talk about passage 7 of NLSAT 2024. So the title of the passage was The Role of Indian Constitution in Achieving Social Revolution. The genre of the passage was non-fiction, historical, political analysis, expository. You will find the questions like factual, direct retrieval, inference, interpretation, comprehension, summarization, application, connection to current affair, detail oriented specific knowledge, negative detail based questions like exceptions. All of the following is true except one which is not true, which is true, that's it. Okay, now passage 7 of NLSAT 2024. The title was Marriage and Escape. It was literary fiction. You would get the questions almost the same, but only one new question type, that is high order or synthesis based questions. Summary based questions were also there. Rest of the questions were quite common in other passages too. Okay, now let's talk about NLSAT 2025 passage 1. The title of the passage was The Paradox of Democracy, Ignorance, Elections and Accountability. Genre is non-fiction, analytical and expository. The question types were again main idea, inference, detail-based question, institutional current affair knowledge, analytical evaluative reasoning and all. Now let's talk about the next topic, passage 2. Title of the passage was The Rise and Impact of Private Test Preparation Industry in India. The passage is non-fiction, argumentative and expository. You would get the questions like inference-based questions, strengthen, weakening the argument, detail-based questions, vocabulary or phrase interpretation in context, critical reasoning, author's perspective questions. Now, next title and genre for passage 3 of 2025. The Supreme Courts and the Migrants Crisis, the limit of PILs. Well, students, the genre was legal commentary and the social legal analysis. The question types were comprehension, the basic understanding, inference-based questions, strengthening and weakening the argument-based questions, detail-based questions, vocabulary or phrase interpretation in context, critical reasoning, author's perspective. All right. Now, next passage, that is passage 4 for 2025. The title was very interesting, Biryani, Evolution, Innovation and Cultural Identity in Karachi. I loved the passage. All right. The genre was non-fiction, food journalism, cultural commentary. The question types were again the same. You must have seen these question types even before. Almost all the same kind of questions were asked in passage 4. Now passage 5. Title of the passage was When Politics Meets Aliens. It was satire or political satire, I would say. Then you would get similar kind of questions like fact-based questions, factual questions, inference, statement, evaluation, cause and effect, vocabulary, author's purpose, external knowledge around GK, current affairs, main idea, and title-based questions. Now, next passage. Yeah. Passage 6. Supreme Court's free speech and social media, the Allahabadiya gag order controversy, that was passage 6. And it was core editorial or opinion based legal analysis. There were variety of questions, but almost the same kind of question which you keep seeing in NLSAT. Author's purpose or opinion based questions, legal case based reference questions, identification questions like identify the title, main idea, primary purpose, tone, logical organization, factual recall, inference, statement, that is evaluation, logical reasoning based questions, cause and effect, vocabulary in context, external knowledge, and the main idea of the passage. Okay, now passage 7. The title was Understanding AI, Separating Hype from Reality. Informational, expository, and non-fiction was the genre for this passage. The question types were again external knowledge, general knowledge based questions, factual recall. Then you get questions around inference, statement evaluation, that is cause and effect relationship. Then vocabulary, author's purpose, external knowledge, current affair, main idea, critical thinking, and analytical questions. Now, passage 8 of NLSAT 2025. The title was Women, Citizenship and Sport in India. It was social commentary or sports sociology. There were external knowledge based questions around GK, facts, inference, statement evaluation, cause and effect, vocabulary, author's purpose, external knowledge based questions around current affair, main idea, critical thinking, and analytical questions. All right, students. So, what is the takeaway from this? The takeaway is there will be some questions around vocabulary. So, you must hone your vocabulary skills. You must read the topics around the genres being discussed today: sociology, legal framework, constitution, science fiction, history, philosophy, economics. All right, these are the important genres, and you must read these genres quite often. You should hone your reading skills along with vocabulary. You should practice different question types. Try to develop some approaches around different question types. So that should be the takeaway from this particular session. All right, students, thank you so much. Bye and all the best.